SlowCast English, Episode 7, Talking About Work.
Let's talk about work.
Okay, work is part of life.
Do you enjoy your work?
Most days, yes.
What makes it good?
My coworkers are friendly.
That's very important.
Yes, people matter more than tasks.
What do you do at work?
I help people and solve small problems.
That sounds meaningful.
I think so too.
Do you feel tired after work?
Sometimes, but it's okay.
Introduction to this podcast. Talking about work. Two people discuss their experiences at work, highlighting the significance of friendly coworkers and meaningful tasks. They agree that positive relationships make work enjoyable and that helping others adds value, even if work can be tiring at times.